Hi, this is second grade lesson 2, and today we'll start with adding and subtracting. Let's look at number 1. For number 1, we have to add 45 and 8. To add 45 and 8, we have to first look at the ones place. 5 plus 8 equals 13. And we have to write 3 on the ones place and 1 on the top. When we add 4 and 1, we get 5. So the answer for number 1 is 53. Let's move on to number 2. 83 plus 11. 3 plus 1 is 4. And 8 plus 1 is 9. And the answer for number 2 is 94. Let's move on to number 5. For this one, we have to subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2 when we subtract 0 from when we get 1. So the answer is 12. Let's look at number 6. When we look at the ones place, we have to do 2 minus 2, which is 0. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer is 30. Let's move on to the next page. For this one, we have to write even or odd. For odd numbers, we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For even numbers, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So if we look at number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, which is odd number. When we look at number 2, we have 1, 2, and 3, which is also odd number. Let's move on to number 5. For number 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 balls, which is even. Let's look at the next page. For this one, we have to write how many tens are in each number. For number 1, we have 24. To know how many tens are in each number, we have to look at the tens place. When we look at the tens place, we can see that there are 2 tens. And for number 2, we have 9 in the tens place, so we have 9 tens. Let's look at number 5. We have 47. 4 is on the tens place, so there are 4 tens. For number 6, 6 is on the tens place, so there are 6 tens. Let's look at number 9. 7 is on the tens place, so we have 7 tens. for the next part, we have to rate how many tens and ones are in each number. To know how many tens are in each number, we have to look at the tens place. And to know how many ones are in each number, we have to look at the ones place. So we have 3 tens and 2 ones. And let's look at number 5. We have 89, and 8 is on the tens place and 9 is on the ones place. So we have 8 tens and 9 ones. For the next page, we have word problems. In the first problem, it says Susan planted 28 flowers in her garden, and she planted 12 daisies, 3 sunflowers, and some roses. How many roses did she plant? To know the answer, we have to subtract 12 and 3 from 28. Minus 12 is 16. 16 minus 3 is 13. So the answer is 13 roses. Let's look at number 3. Stephen has 18 red toy cars and 36 green toy cars. How many more green toy cars does Stephen have than red ones? To find the answer, we have to subtract 18 from 36. So 36 minus 18 is 18. So there are 18 more green toy cars. Thank you.